So what's the special today? International Women's Day. Is one day enough for us? Yes? Is one day enough for us? No. So we need all the days throughout the year to be our day, right? By the way, thank you so much, and I had this wonderful opportunity to talk before you. So happy International Women's Day to one and all. How the girls are going to be here, what are they pursuing, what are they doing, and everything. But after coming here, I was so astonished, amazed, and surprised by seeing the very first anchoring skills of these two beautiful girls. First of all, I would like to congratulate the faculty members also for the nurturing the girls like this. So one day in a year at least to celebrate. But our celebrations are going to be throughout the year, right? And so girls, many talk that International Women's Day, it started that they go to the story of International Women's Day and they end up with knowing that it started somewhere in the year 1908 with an agitation which they did in other country, and so from that is they want to agitate for their own rights. So for their rights they agitated. From then onwards we got one day, that is March 8th, as International Women's Day. But this is not the case in our country. From ancient India, if we look back, women are always honored because deity itself, Shiva, Ardhanarishwara Tattvam. You can understand that because half Shiva and half Parvati. So that is the respect and honor what we have in our dharma, right? And so we have been honoring. We are honored in all ways. Earlier in India, in the ancient India, ladies used to go out, they used to hunt, they used to come back, and they used to take care of their families. But you might wonder, how is it so? But yes, it is. Other parts of the country, then only a girl is protected by keeping her in a house, that is making her sit only confined to the one room or one house, and then only men coming out to do work in order to safeguard the women. So this is the way, and from then onwards, and slowly this sort of inequality is raised before men and women. But WOMAN, so man is embedded in woman. So he is not different from women. Both are equal. So when we have that words, man is in woman, then how are they unequal from one another? So both are equal. Both should have the same rights. Both should have the same responsibilities. Both can do anything. Both can pursue anything. So that's also the reason. See, WOMAN is wonderful, outstanding, marvelous, adorable, and nicest gift. So in putting it in a simplest manner, I want to give another narrative for women. You know what it is? WOMAN. What we face in the society, and keeping all those in view. So we take that responsibility also. And M for management. To do all this, we need to manage our lifestyle. We need to manage our time. Each and every person are having the same time, right? 24 hours a day. And some persons are achieving so many things in the same 24 hours, and some they are just sitting back idle, so without doing anything. So what's the difference between the two? Both have the same time, but one hour they are able to achieve so many things, but the other they are not able to do. So what's the reason between these two? The attitude what you develop within yourself. So that is the management skills. And A is the aim. Dream big. Put your goals. Fix your goals. When there is an aim, see so and so, I want to become a doctor. That is my aim. Then what should you pursue? So these are all the things what we need to pursue in wise in selecting our profession and career, and the responsibility what we have to achieve the goal. and to manage our time to achieve the goal. So these are all comes next because A is for aim and last is N. N is nifty. So we should be skillful and effective in our roles. Then only we can achieve all these things. So we need to abbreviate. So today I thought of abbreviating this WOMAN, wise, honest, management, aim and nifty.